Hi guys, this is your girl Janine and welcome back to another vlog. I'm in the Dominican Republic and we by the beach today. We on Coco Beach. Yeah, the sun is hot, but I'm loving it. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. It's a big cock by the beach. What's the name of this beach? Coco. So guys, we on Coco Beach. I guess coco means it has a lot of coconut trees. Yeah. This is what I'm seeing. I am here with the whole family. Yeah, my friends, family, mother, dad, brother, son. I'm here and we on the beach. You like that? What's that? Oh, that's almond. Yeah. This is beautiful. It looks rough, but it will do. We're just setting up our stuff. Yeah. Guys, this is called Coco Beach. I guess it's because it has a lot of coconut trees. That's coco in Spanish is coconut. So like they say agua de coco. Yeah. So guys, I am back home after a long day and I'm just here chilling with Mila. Minita, say hello, Minita, Minita, Minita. Say hello, Minita, Minita. Say hello, Minita, Minita, Minita. What? What, Mama? Minita, Mama. Minita, Mama. Don't eat my hair. Minita, Mama. What are you doing, Mina? She's very spoiled, guys. Mila is very spoiled. Very spoiled cat. I'm tired after this long day of beach going out, guys. We need to rest. It was a very hot day. Mina! Say hello with your tail, Mama. Mira! Say hello with your tail. Mia, Mama. Mia. Spoil, spoil, Mina. Spoil, spoil, Mina. Spoil, spoil, Mia. You thinking about what you're gonna do? Some mischievous things? Mira. beautiful people. Guys, this is the next day after the beach. We did not even shower yesterday on the beach. We did not take a sea bath because it was too hot. The water was exhausting yesterday. So we're trying to go to the beach today. Again, another beach. Not because it was too hot. The beach wasn't that good. It was rough. The water was too rough. So we're going to change today. And yes, I'm just here chilling. I just got up, took a shower. I'm in the house, got up, took a shower. And yeah. Yes guys, I'm having a wonderful time in the Dominican Republic. I have to say. I am resting. Yes, everything is good guys. Just show you a little bit outside. So that's how it's looking from the outside of the house. There is a shop right there. I love that plant. It's beautiful. It's real. It looks fake, but it's real. And this one too. It's real. The weather looks beautiful today. It's not cloudy today. The sky is nice and blue. Yeah. So I'm just there chilling guys. Chilling. Everything is good. I'm happy. I'm just there chilling. On the 10th, I'm going back to work guys. We go back to work on the 10th. I'm having a blast. Well, that was good. I went to St. Lucia. I came back. Went to the Dominican Republic. So, what else can I ask for? I have to go back to work. It's normal. I have to go back to work, guys. Yes, guys, we are at the beach. We're gonna have something to eat. Oh. No island. No island. Yeah, beautiful. Oh yeah, that's beautiful here. We stay here. It's nice. We have the yeah. It's good here. It's nice and cool. Not comfortable. Well, we go down there. Yeah. Okay. Oh, the sea is rough today. It's not beautiful. It's not beautiful today. It's rough. But I'm happy to be here. Oh, we have the coconut man here. We're gonna buy some coconuts. Yeah, one with the jelly. Yeah, I want the jelly. That's what I want. I took it mucho fast to get the jelly. So guys, this is what we're having for lunch today. Barbecue ribs, a little bit of salad with some barbecue sauce, some plantain, slice of well thin, and what is this? With plantain and shrimp, with shrimp, and we have some mashed potatoes and some white rice. Bon appetit to us. So guys, we are leaving the beach. We're going to the pool. My friend go get her motocicleta. She's there with her motocicleta. Yeah, you cleaning your baby? Oh, all your life. Okay. Okay. We're going to another pool. Huh? Yeah, it's small. This is beautiful, this side. Why you change road? Is it that road? Or you just come to mind people business? This is nice. What? The neighborhood is nice. It's nice and cool. Huh? It's here? Oh, it's there. Oh, it's good? Yeah, it's good. It's not bad. We're going to the pool. My friend just packed her bike. So we're going to the pool.